What is it?
Cologne.
No, it's not cologne. What is it? Chapstick?
Cologne.
Cologne and chapstick so far.
Ass-whooping candy?
Ass-whooping candy?
Candy.
How do you know if it's candy? Aiden and 2. How do you know it's ass-whooping candy?
Are you videoing this?
Santa Claus must have thought you were a good boy.
It's candy. Candy.
Let me see. Show Mom.
Whoa, candy.
Oh, nice. Jackpot.
Wow.
Open it.
Okay.
Not now, after breakfast. Just keep going.
Here.
OMG, you must have been a good
Well,
boy.
let me leave this here.
Okay, let's put a pile. You got jackpot, cologne. Okay, keep going. You got a lot more to go. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.